Hi joyful friends, today I will draw Bluey carrying a shiny xylophone in her paws. The colors will sparkle one by one while my hand works on the picture, so let's wander into her playful tale. And before the music begins, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, so the rhythm of stories can keep dancing in your day. The morning was bright, and the garden was alive with birdsong. Bluey skipped happily, a rainbow-colored xylophone tucked under her arm. Each bar gleamed, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, like a pocket of treasure waiting to sing. Ding, 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 she hummed as she tapped it with her stick. Can you pretend to tap along with me? Move your fingers up and down like tiny hammers. Bingo peeked out from behind the tree. What's that, Bluey? Bluey lifted the instrument proudly. It's my magic xylophone. Every color makes a different dream sound. Bingo gasped. Play the green one. Bluey struck the green bar. The air shimmered, and suddenly the grass around them looked taller, greener, almost glowing. Bingo twirled, her giggles ringing like bells. Dad came out, scratching his head. What's all this music, huh? Bluey tapped the red bar. The sunlight grew warmer, painting the world with a golden glow. Dad's eyes widened. Crikey! That's powerful music. Want to try? Bluey asked, holding the stick out. Dad clumsily hit the purple bar, and for a moment, tiny stars glittered above the garden, twinkling even though it was still day. Wow, Dad whispered, that's proper magic. Can you wave your hands like stars above? Bluey asked, raising her arms to the sky. Let's sparkle together. The sisters laughed as the magic shifted with every note. Bluey played quick patterns, yellow, blue, red, and the world seemed to spin with joyful energy. Bingo danced in circles, her ears flopping, while Mom stepped out with a smile, swaying gently to the rhythm. Bluey looked at her family, the garden glowing with rainbow light, and felt her chest fill with warmth. Music makes everything better, she whispered. Bingo nodded. It feels like the xylophone is singing to us. Or maybe, Mom said softly, it's you bringing the magic, Bluey. The pup smiled shyly and hugged the xylophone close. As the day slowly faded, Bluey tapped one final note, soft and low. The colors melted back into the quiet garden, leaving only the sound of evening crickets. She sat beside Bingo, both pups resting their heads together. Today was perfect, Bluey whispered, but tomorrow, I'll make the music dance again. Promise? Bingo asked sleepily. Promise, Bluey said, stroking the xylophone gently like a dear friend. So close your eyes now, little listener, let your dreams hum sweet and slow, with gentle notes of colors bright, your heart will softly glow.